This video I will explain the difference between UPI, cards and wallets. First we will see what is UPI. UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. Using that, you can send and receive money directly from your bank account instantly. You do not need a card number, bank account number and IFSC code. You only need a UPI ID or a QR code. Now we will see what are cards. Cards include debit cards and credit cards. In case of debit cards, money comes from your bank. In case of credit cards, money is borrowed from the bank and paid later. You pay by entering card number, expiry date, CVV, and OTP. Cards can be used online and also at physical stores. Now we will see what are wallets. Wallets are apps where you add money first and then use that balance to pay. For example, Paytm wallet, PhonePe wallet, Amazon Pay wallet. Money stays inside the wallet until you spend it. Now we will see the comparison of UPI, cards and wallets. UPI means direct bank transfers. Cards means debit and credit payments. Wallets means preloaded app balance. First comparison is where the money comes from. In case of UPI, money comes directly from your bank account. No balance is stored in the app. In case of cards, money comes from your bank account. In case of debit card, your credit limit in case of credit card. In case of wallets, money comes from the amount you loaded earlier. Second comparison is payment speed. UPI is instant, money moves in a few seconds. Cards are fast but sometimes takes slightly longer due to OTP and bank checks. Wallets are very fast because money is already stored inside the app. Third comparison is security. UPI uses UPI PIN, bank verification, and strong security checks. Cards uses OTP, CVV, and sometimes PIN for in-store payments. Wallets uses app lock, OTP, and internal wallet security. Fourth comparison is where you can use it. UPI almost everywhere. Shops, online payments, small vendors, and fund transfers. Cards used mainly in online shopping, big stores with card machines. Wallets used in specific apps, some shops, recharge and bill payments. Wallet usage is more limited compared to UPI. Fifth comparison is fees. In case of UPI, it is usually free for users. In case of cards, credit cards may have annual fees, interest, and late payment charges. Debit card usage is usually free. In wallets, adding money is free, but transferring wallet money to a bank may have fees. Sixth comparison is ease of use. UPI is very fast, only requires scanning a QR or entering a UPI ID. In case of cards, need to type card details or swipe the card. In case of wallets, it is easy once money is added, but requires topping up balance first. Seventh comparison is limits. In case of UPI, daily limit depends on your bank, often around 1 lakh per day. In case of cards, limits depends on your bank or credit limit. In case of wallets, it is low limits unless KYC is completed. Here you can see the summary table of whatever we have discussed. UPI is best for instant bank-to-bank payments. Cards are best for online and big store purchases. And wallets are best for small app-based payments using preloaded money.